With a lot of Ireland's oil coming from Northern Europe and not the Middle East, why are we paying so much more for our oil now, even though there's no disruption to European production? That's one of the more common queries I'm getting when covering rising fuel prices. So let's try and explain it a bit. It's true that most of the oil consumed in Ireland comes via the North Sea and the UK, but it's not as simple as that. The market for oil is a global one, meaning that for the most part, prices aren't determined by where oil is produced or sold. And if there's a supply disruption anywhere in the world, that will have a knock-on effect on both supply and price globally. Before the latest escalation in the Middle East, around a fifth of the world's oil supplies were travelling through the Strait of Hormuz. But now with the strait effectively closed to oil tankers, that's 20% less oil for the entire world. And while Ireland wasn't terribly reliant on the strait for its supplies, other countries, particularly in Asia, were. So now the likes of China, which has huge demand for oil, is looking to replace those lost supplies. It will try and buy from other sources, such as what's being produced in the North Sea. So suddenly Ireland is competing with more countries when it's trying to buy its oil, and this inevitably drives up the price for everyone. And with oil going from $72 a barrel in recent weeks to over $100, this has and will continue to have a huge impact on pump prices here in Ireland.